Every now and again, a property comes on the market that you see and just go, wow. A property that you drive past and admire for its style, character and grace. Hi, I'm Grant Kersley from Harcourt Somerville. Welcome to Green Gables. Let's go inside and take a look. Offered to the market for the first time in 18 years, this property is set on 1.6 acres of beautifully manicured lawns and gardens. The homestead offers 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, expansive living areas, an American-style barn and extensive garaging with room for all the toys. One of the best features of this home is the gorgeous wraparound veranda where you can sit and have your morning coffee while watching the sunrise up over Western Port. Thank you for taking the time to view this stunning property. As you can see, opportunities like this do not come along very often. Contact me for your own private tour, or I look forward to seeing you at the next open home.